Welcome guys, today I am with the DOOGEE V20 and I want to show you how the camera pro mode looks in this phone. So at the first there we got the white balance, and that's how we can adjust it with this slider. Another one is of course the ISO, and you can go between 100 and 800. With the slider you can also get it automatically, the same like with the white balance. Another one is the exposure compensation, so we can get -3 and a +3, and that's the only parameter that we cannot adjust manually, I mean automatically. Another one is the shutter speed, so we'll decide right here for how long this shutter will be open. And I'm just wonder if the exposure compensation works right here. Okay, looks like it's not working actually. That's bad. That's bad. And the last option is the focus, so we can decide for the zoom, I mean for the focus. So if you want to focus on the objects like very close to your lens, just set like that, and as you can see right now my hand will be in the focus, but when I go for example like this one, no I mean like this one, and put it close, the hand will be out of the focus and it will only get focus on the objects in front of us, I mean a little bit far away from our main lens. By tapping right here we can reset all of the parameters, and the last tip right here you can adjust the brightness and also colors by setting up these filters. So yeah, for me that's all for the DOOGEE V20 camera pro mode. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.